guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, it's your girl MissErinYvette, and today I'm going to be doing a video where I'm showing you guys some new lenses that I received. If you're new to my channel, your girl is blind. I actually wear prescription glasses, and I used to wear colored contacts for a really long time. And I say that because people love to throw shade on colored contacts, and I actually still like them as long as they're flattering, like to your face, to your skin. I actually love colored contacts. I personally just don't wear them anymore. Today's video is sponsored by Lensmart. If you've been on my channel before, I like to talk about affordable ways for us bad bitches to save money, pretty much, period. And one of the things that I've been doing to save money, like within the last maybe 5 years for real, I mean, dang, it's been that long? I have not bought prescription glasses from my eye doctor in like over 5 years. This is honestly a hack that I learned in college. So if you're looking to save some coins, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned to see the new lenses that I got from Lensmart. So my current glasses, I don't even know where those hoes are. We're up, here it is. Hey, give this video a thumbs up if you lose your glasses all the time. I swear this is real life. So these are my glasses right here. And there are so many of these websites, okay, so many. But I am going to tell you the difference in this particular brand because they shocked me, I will say. I've heard of tons of affordable online, ocular wear, eyewear, lens wear. There's so many affordable markets now. But I just wanted to show you that I actually do purchase from sites like this, and I actually do wear them. You can wear them, okay? You can get your actual prescription in them, and you can see, period. Got a big package sent to me full of lenses to try out for you guys, just to show you like a glimpse of the variety. They did reach out for me to pick a few from their site. I did want to pick a variety just to show you kind of what they offer, and I feel like I got a good mix. So when you get lenses sent to you from Lensmart, they do come in these kind of paper boxes. They low-key look like this could be recyclable material. I think it might be great for the environment. I'm not gonna say that they are. Who knows? So you slide it out like this, and then it does come with the glasses case. I love these because when I travel, like usually when you wear glasses you have multiple pairs, so it's great to have this just to throw the other pair in your purse or around your house, or even leave a pair in your car, because if you're like me, you're always losing your glasses. First pair, I will leave the name of these on the screen because I actually don't remember off the top of my head. These are actually really nice. They have blue light blocking, which I'm realizing these don't have any light blocking, so at night these give me hell. And these again are my prescription glasses. So these are the glasses right here. They're actually really gorgeous. They are black framed at the top and on the ears. They even have some gold accent on the side. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then at the bottom here, it just has some like cheetah print that's kind of ombre. Actually stupid cute. We're gonna try these on. What do I feel? Oh, yes, these are really cute. And they kind of match my outfit. They're giving bad bitch. I really like this. It's giving a vibe. I give these an 8 out of 10. I feel like the cat eye is really cute. I don't know if my face is crooked, but sometimes they can come off a little bit crooked. Let me move the mirror over here a little bit. But yeah, they can come off a little crooked. Y'all have to vote and let me know what y'all think. These are really cute, and they go with my outfit. They are comfortable as well, I will say that. I hope I don't mess up my makeup doing this video, but yeah, these are super comfortable as well. That's one thing about glasses that really gets me. I will say, like these glasses, when I wear them for a long time, sometimes the back of my ear hurts. Y'all get that? I don't know why, but yeah, I don't really like the thin ear bands like my glasses have, so I do love that these are a little bit thicker. Hopefully they won't hurt the sides of my head. These might be a good replacement for some everyday glasses. I like these. And the best part about these sites, the lenses are usually less than $20. How much do you spend on a pair of glasses at your eye doctor? Like over 150 maybe. Girl, bye. Most of my friends who don't have to wear glasses want to wear glasses. This is the perfect site for y'all. So this is the next pair. Super cute. When I saw these, I was like, girl, I gotta get them. I feel like these are different. I'm going for something that kind of matches my outfit. I want my glasses not to be an accessory, you know? And this is the perfect site to get a bunch of them, so you can switch them up every day if you wanted to. Gold and gold detailed pair of glasses. They do have that thin strap that I just said I didn't like, but we'll give them a try. They also come with the detail in the front. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it basically wraps around the glass and it connects the one side of, I don't even know how do you, These are really cute. They're different, but they're comfy. These definitely are an eye catcher. I feel like if I was in the store, I feel like a lot of people would stop and be like, oh my god, I love your glasses. I feel like people would do that. I really like these. One thing I noticed when I put them on is that they do kind of expand a little bit. When I first pulled them out, I thought I was breaking them, but they do kind of expand a little bit, and I feel like that's great. If you have a wider face, these are great for you. Look at that. One thing I do notice, it also has that blue blocker ray. What is that called? Because I kind of just made this up. A blue light blocking. So basically all of my lights are on right now. It's not giving me like a glare. It's not, you know, streaming like it does when you're driving at night. It looks, girl, look good. Period. I look good. Wow. Wow. My mom will literally call and talk you to death. I've been on the phone with her for an hour. So let's finish this video. So the next pair that I'm pulling out are these right here. Y'all. Oh my god. They are huge and glitzy and yes. These are definitely giving auntie. These are super cute though. I feel like if I had an outfit to match these, I would definitely wear these as the go accessory. Like I don't even know if I would wear earrings, but they're super cute. I will say these are a little big, right? For my face, but I feel like with big hair like I have, these look really, really nice. These don't have that same like light blocking effect as the other ones, so it is a little, it's making me squinch just a little bit with all my bright lights, but it's still not giving a glare or anything like that. I really love the rhinestone. If you guys don't know, I'm a rhinestone queen. These aren't giving cheap. They look really high quality, really nice. Like, the only thing is the fit is a little bit tight. It says these were handmade, so that's really, really nice, but these are a little tight. I don't really like the fit of the ear bands. I'm not sure what you call them, but they kind of are poking on the sides of my head. Beyond that, I think these are great for, like, you know, accessorizing a look. Again, I don't think I would wear them every day, but these could be somebody's everyday glasses. I don't know. Are you up to the challenge? Would you wear these every day? The last pair that I got, I'm showing you last for a reason. I actually am not a big fan of these, but I did want a red pair of glasses. I will say these are probably the cheapest quality that I got. They are like red cat eye inspired glasses. They're red and gold, super simple. They don't have that light blocking software or effect on them like the first two did. The arms are super skinny, like stupid skinny, and they do have red on the ends of the ear. Okay. What do you think? I think these are simple. They're giving simple. I don't really like them. I feel like, I don't know, something's missing about them. I don't know, guys. They're comfy. They're just not doing anything for me. Like they're not doing anything. I do think they're cute though. I feel like they're super simple. If you wanted some red glasses, super affordable. It's not like I can say anything negative about them. They're just not my faves out of all of these. So a big shout out to Lensmart for sending over these shades. Again, I think these are my favorite ones. Super cute. These get, I want to say a 9.5, 10 out of 10 from me. Great for everyday wear. I'm going to take me a selfie in these. But yeah, let me know which pair you liked. I will leave my discount code in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you